Meowdy gazing days. Today I'm going to teach you how to make Minecraft Java Edition, that's the one that anyone reasonable plays on normal computers, work with controller support. This means you'll be able to use any game controller that Steam can detect, so basically all of them, to play Minecraft. This can be useful for any reason that you'd want to play Minecraft without being directly at a keyboard and mouse. Playing Minecraft from bed, on your sofa, or just at your desk but you're too fat like me to actually use a keyboard and mouse without pain. So the first thing you need to do is open the Start menu. Regardless of which Start menu you have, you need to go to the search and put the following string. Set up USB game controllers. Open that and you'll see the list of controllers that Windows has detected you have connected. It's at this point that you'll want to connect your controller. Whether you have a USB controller that you just plug straight in and it works, a Bluetooth controller that you have to fuck around with for 15 minutes before it actually turns on, or anything else. Get your controller connected and it should show up in this list. I'm going to hold down the button on mine. Ta-da! There it is. This is, indeed, an Xbox Series X controller. Now that it's shown up in this menu, you can just press OK. For the next part of this guide, we'll be inside of Steam. If Minecraft's already open at this point, you'll want to close it. Then you'll want to go to the bottom left of Steam and press Add a Game. Then, add a non-Steam game. Now in this list, you'll want to find the Minecraft launcher that you use to start the game. Could just be called Minecraft, could just be called Minecraft Launcher. Basically, whatever you normally open to start Minecraft, find that in this list and click it. For me, it's CurseForge because I use a mod pack made by my wonderful girlfriend. Then hit Add Selected Programs. You'll want to go to that in your library on the left, and here's Minecraft, essentially. Next, you'll see this controller icon here. Click it, and it will open the Steam Input Controller Configurator. Just cancel this tutorial, I'll help you through it. First you'll want to click Enable Steam Input, and then here where it says Gamepad right now. Clicking on here will allow you to browse through the layouts. Press Show All Layouts, and then press Community Layouts. You can see that it's quite popular to do this, so even on the first page I'm finding Minecraft Java configurations. If you want to be more specific, you can go to the search and search for Minecraft. You can see a bunch of community profiles for Minecraft because doing this is an incredibly popular thing that a lot of people do. You can look through the layouts before dedicating yourself to them by just clicking on them and seeing if they make sense. A being the shift key is a bit strange. That's not how I'd like to play, so let's just go back. You can essentially go through the layouts until you find one that feels comfortable for you. B being the escape key. Not what I would like. And of course I've ruined the surprise here. I've made my own. Because I liked it to be very specific. It's very easy to make your own layout in the Steam configurator if you want to. You don't have to actually use a preset. But I'm sure you'll find one that you like. But if you haven't found a layout that you want, you can just go to Edit Layout instead. Set what the face buttons and all the rest on your controller do. And then that can make it so that Minecraft is bound exactly how you want it. I'm certain if you have to make one yourself, or if you pick one from the list, you'll find a binding that fits you. Just look through all the ones that exist online in this list, or make your own layout, and then apply it so that it appears like this. After you've found one that you like, you can press back, and just press play on that Minecraft launcher that you added earlier. You'll want to start the game with your mouse as normal, and you'll probably want to put it into full screen when it starts. You can do that in the options menu or by pressing F11 on the keyboard. Or if it's already in your settings file, it'll do it automatically. But beyond this point, I'm going to take myself from the mouse and keyboard, and I'm going to just use my controller. You might be able to hear it if you listen. I'm using my controller for this. Let's get into a world. Okay, here we are. Welcome to Minecraft. I'm currently playing with a controller, which is something that you can't normally do in Minecraft Java. You can adjust the sensitivity if it's too high or too low. Usually in all of these profiles they have like quick settings. You'll want to go up to your keyboard and press whatever your Steam overlay key is. By default it's Shift Tab. And then go down to here where you can see a little controller. Then you have right joystick sensitivity, and you can turn it to whatever you like. I think I'll set it to a nice, comfortable... I'm not going to say this word out loud. There you go. It's a lot more. That's a lot slower, but it's a lot more console speed. It also means this mouse slows down, which means using user interfaces will be easier. But yes, as you can see, I'm playing Minecraft Java with a controller because I set a preset in Steam Input. So now I can feel free to sit back, relax, be on my bed, or if I took the PC downstairs, be on my sofa, and have a gay old time. I really hope this has helped you in making Minecraft more accessible. Thankfully, Valve, once again, picking up the slack of the industry and making things actually work. Anyway, I thank you for watching, and I hope it helped. Let me know if you have any comments, questions, or conundrums, or problems. Though, you should be pretty solid. As long as Steam is the thing that launches your Minecraft launcher, and then by extension that launches Minecraft, Steam Input should hook properly and you should be fine. Thanks for watching.